Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're keeping well. Today we are unboxing the Canon 70-200mm telephoto lens. It's an f2.8 IS USM lens. It came with a pouch, which is a little bag for your lens, and for some reason all the other unboxing videos I've watched, guys received a pouch that has the same number there, UP1424. I don't know why, but all the other guys seem to receive a pouch with the same number. And you must make sure that your package comes with this little booklet. It gives you access to your warranty and guarantee. So when you get any brand new piece of equipment from Canon, make sure you demand that that thing is inside there. Then it has instructions that help you register your new equipment on the website, and that's how you activate the guarantee and warranty. And of course, down to the main gist of this video, which is easily the shortest, smallest, and most portable 70-200mm telephoto lens on the market at f2.8 aperture. Now, I am aware that Canon has other telephotos like the 75-300mm, both RF and EF, which are much smaller than this. But then those lenses are usually like at f4 in terms of aperture. If you're talking about quality glass professional telephotos at f2.8, this is the most portable on the market at the moment. And its hood came well cushioned, as you can see in the video, and the moment I touched that hood, I knew I had made the right decision. The material feels rich and classy. This lens is about 3K to 4K USD depending on where you buy it from. For those of you that use filters, you now have a provision where you just open and close here to access your filter without having to remove the hood. And it has a total of 5 buttons here: stabilizer on and off, stabilizer points 1 to 3, and of course the manual and autofocus. And then the last button is a lock button for your lens when you decide to lock in on a particular focal length. And then the other thing is that this ring is actually detachable. I'm just going to show you that it's detachable, but I'm not going to remove my ring for you because I shall not be testing my God today. Anyway, moving on, I'm trying to compare it to the other telephoto lenses on the market. This is the Tamron 70-200 f2.8, and as you can see, the RF is visibly shorter in comparison to a typical telephoto lens. Even in terms of weight, when you try to lift them together, you can feel that the RF is much lighter, and according to Google, it's about 30 grams less in terms of weight. And then in this clip, I'm comparing it to the 24-70mm Canon RF, and as you can see, it's closer in size to the 24-70, which is usually very unseen because we all know that 24-70mm is usually smaller than a typical 70-200, but here it is almost the same in height. And as you can see here, the RF is closer in height to the 24-70mm than it is to the 70-200mm. So if you're looking for something portable for travel, this is your go-to lens. Bye until the next one.